The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. She's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey.
A few moments later.
What's up, Homeylu's, homies, homeboys, make some noise. Hey, homegirls, make some noise. Y'all know that the cook is hot, the cook is hot. Hey, she's on fire. She's on fire. Let me stop. Today, I came to speak about this pescetarian meal, honey, this seafood meal. I'm going to call it pescetarian. That's the category we're going to put it in. And I want to explain the difference between vegan, vegetarian, and pescetarian for people that don't know. Let's start with vegan because it's one of the most restrictive diets. For political reasons, for religious reasons, or for dietary reasons, people go on a vegan diet. Vegan is pretty much your vegetables, starches, what have you, but without any meat, and not only any meat, but no byproducts of an animal. Byproducts of an animal would include things like milk and cheese and butter that come from a cow, and then things like eggs that come from a chicken. So it can't even be a byproduct of an animal. I remember the first time I saw a vegan diet, it was one of my students. He was fasting. He was like Orthodox Christian in Egypt, and he was fasting and knew he was a vegan, but I didn't know about the part about the animal byproduct. I used to confuse both of them with vegetarian. And I remember some kid tried to give him chocolate. He turned it around, looked at the label, and he saw that it was milk chocolate. And he said, "I'm sorry, I can't eat it because it has some milk in it," which is a byproduct of an animal. So that's vegan. Then you have vegetarian. Vegetarian pretty much is a vegan that can eat animal byproducts. They can eat eggs and cheese and have milk and butter and things like that, things that derive from an animal. Now, in this case, a vegetarian, they also do it for political reasons, religious reasons, dietary reasons. Some people just want to give up meat, chicken, fish. That's your vegetarian, a true vegetarian. Then you have, when a vegetarian adds seafood to the meal, then we come up with this term, pescetarian. Some people go on a pescetarian diet. It works really well for their body type, and they lose a lot of weight like that. That includes seafood. Basically, it's a vegetarian that includes seafood. So pesca is from the Italian word for fish, and then vegetarian, you blend the two words together, and then you have your pescetarian. Hope that explains it, and